This video will briefly walk through the Boulder Desertification Dashboard developed by Linker for the City of Boulder. Looking at the top right of the screen, you'll see that we have two sections. Home is the landing page for this dashboard as you see it displayed here. And About provides an overview of the motivation and methods that govern this project. So a bit about those methods and the project approach. We developed a multi-scale assessment and monitoring framework to track land degradation in Boulder County's rangelands. We used open source remote sensing data to create fine scale risk scores that integrate four key sectors: land productivity, land cover, soils, and water. And the framework analyzes trends from 2000 to 2023 at both the pixel and parcel level. All right, and with this quick background completed, let's jump into looking at the dashboard. And a quick note on the layout, there are two main tabs in the dashboard: the framework results shown here, and then the trends, and each of those show different types of data. The framework results visualize scores for each pixel and year, and the trends tab summarizes trends and results over time, and we'll return to this in a moment. Now on the left panel, you'll find the map controls, and here you can choose what to display, adjust the opacity, and read a short description of what's being shown. If you hover over to the left corner of the map, the waffle layer icon will allow you to toggle map layers on and off, and you can also zoom around the map there as well. You'll notice that the City of Boulder Open Space and Mountain Parks, the OSMP, and Boulder County Parks and Open Space, BCPOS layers are already displayed on the map. Those OSMP layers are shown with solid blue lines and dashed blue lines for the Boulder County. And these properties were used as representative parcels selected by the project core team. There's also additional layers included on this map, such as the Prairie Dog map shown there in orange, irrigated lands from the state's database shown there in the teal, and as well as a water rights layer showing more senior more senior water right properties in green, and more junior water right properties shown in the red. All right, so now moving on to accessing the data itself, I'll turn a few of these layers off. Under the Framework Results tab, you can choose how you'd like to view the data. You'll see there are three drop-down options in the map controls under the data source: for data layer, year selection, and score type. So walking through the first data layer is the 30-meter drop-down. You can visualize results for land cover, productivity, soil, water, as well as the overall land health score ranging from -2 to 2, shown in the brown and green color scale at the bottom. Year and the score category using these drop-down menus. So here are the years from 2000 to 2023, and these different scoring categories as I mentioned here. So as you select a different category, the results will automatically update to display those new results. The second item in the main results dropdown is for k-means clustering, and this allows you to view the results of the k-means clustering method, which is a machine learning based approach that groups similar scores over time across similar areas. So this has helped to reveal patterns across the landscape, from degraded and unstable areas to those that are consistently showing better conditions. So for example, if you look at the k-means clustering selection, you'll notice that those have scores ranging from 1 to 6, where the cluster in 1 with a dark brown represents the worst land condition scores, and then gradually improving to score of 6 in the teal, representing the best land condition scores. So you're welcome to zoom around the screen using your mouse or the icons shown in the map here. Next, we'll move over to the Trends tab, and the layout remains the same, but you'll notice how the data layers here are further processed in groups based on time periods here. So we've tracked changes in land health scores over 4 time periods to see which are the improving or degrading. We analyzed these over the early period from 2000 to 2013, the late period 2014 to 2023, the recent period 2019 to 2023, and over the full period of record as well, 2000 to 2023. So each layer shows pixels categorized as one of these 3 states: positive trends shown in green, in the legend here, negative trend shown in brown, and neutral or stable shown in yellow. Next, if you want to focus on the statistically significant trends, then you can click the icon, the menu in the dropdown, and take a look at different p-values associated with each of those scores. So p-value less than 0.05 or p-value less than 0.25. And again, as you adjust those changes on the display to the left, the map display will update as well. And again, in this case, with the statistically significant values shown, we've got increasing trends shown by pixel in the blue, and then decreasing trends shown by pixel in the red. So that summarizes this dashboard. So please enjoy scrolling around the map to different data layers and different areas of Boulder County rangelands, and enjoy taking a look at the results in your area of interest. Thanks.